So today we have lecture 3 in topic continuity and differentiability. Today we will discuss problems. Solved problems. In first two lectures I have completed theory part of continuity and differentiability. Today I am taking problems. After completing today's lecture, I hope you will be comfortable in this chapter. So the first problem I am taking a function f of x 1 minus cos of 4x divided by x square where x less than 0, function is equal to a, x is 0 and root x divided by all over root divided by root over 16 plus root x minus 4 where x greater than 0. Right. Now in this problem we have to find value of a such that f of x is continuous at x equal to 0. Find value of a such that f of x is continuous at x equal to 0. Fine. So we have to talk about continuity at which point x equal to 0. Function is given continuous, so LHL is equal to RHL is equal to value of the function. The first LHL formula, limit over f of 0 minus h s tending to 0 plus 0 minus h, that means less than 0. We will follow first definition. So limit over 1 minus cos 4 0 minus h divided by 0 minus h whole square. So it is limit over 1 minus cos 4h divided by h square. Cos of minus theta, cos theta. Now 1 minus cos 4h will be written 1 minus 2 sin square 2h. How is it coming? Using the formula cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta क्या होता है? 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So here 4h. That's the reason 1 minus 2 sin square 2h. So now it is limit over 2 times sin 2h by h whole square. Is it sin theta by theta? No. To make it sin theta by theta, I am doing 2 into 4, then sin 2h by 2h whole square. Clear? Now मैंने अपॉन में 2h किया तो 2 square 4, तो मैंने इंटू में 4 कर दिया. It is clearly sin theta by theta which is 1. So 8 into 1 square is equal to 8. We have got LHL equal to 8. We have got LHL is equal to 8. Now we will find RHL. RHL is equal to limit over f of 0 plus h s tending to 0 plus, this will come limit over root of 0 plus h divided by root over 16 plus root over 0 plus h minus 4. So it is limit over root h divided by root over 16 plus root h minus 4. Clear? Now we have to solve this limit. To solve it, I will take help of rationalization. Rationalization of denominator. So multiplication with root over 16 plus root h plus 4 in numerator as well as denominator. Now it is limit over root h root over 16 plus root h plus 4 in the denominator it is a minus b, a minus b, a plus b. So denominator will become a square minus b square. Finally, limit over root over 16 plus root h plus 4. Putting h is equal to 0, we are getting 8. Right? So we have found LHL is equal to 8, RHL is equal to 8. Now, f of 0 equal to 8. Since f of x is given continuous at x equal to 0, so LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f of 0. In this way, 8 is equal to 8 is equal to a. So finally, our answer is a equal to 8. Now student, some of you must be thinking, why I have found LHL and RHL both? Function is given continuous, so directly LHL is equal to value of the function to get a? No. Knowingly I have calculated LHL as well as RHL. It may be LHL RHL are not coming equal. तो हमारा आंसर क्या हो जाता? नो वैल्यू ऑफ ए. इस तरह का प्रॉब्लम आए तो आप केवल LHL या RHL एक मत निकालिए, दोनों निकालिए. ऐसे भी प्रॉब्लम बन सकते हैं where LHL RHL are not coming equal. Function is they are asking value of unknown such that function is continuous. LHL RHL are not coming same. तो हमारा आंसर क्या हो जाता? नो वैल्यू ऑफ ए. Is it? So that's the reason LHL RHL both are necessary. Now I'm taking second problem, problem number 2. Which of following functions is are not differentiable? लैंग्वेज पे ध्यान दीजिए, हमसे पूछा जा रहा है नॉट डिफरेंशिएबल एट x इक्वल टू 0. Options are given to us. Option number 1, sine of mod x plus mod x. Option number 2, sine of mod x minus mod x. Option number 3, cos of mod x plus mod x. And option number 4, cos of mod x minus mod x. Right? So we have to check differentiability at x equal to 0. So what will we do? We can check each and every option one by one. We can check each and every option one by one to decide which is differentiable, which is not differentiable. No. चारों ऑप्शन को देखिए. It may be कि some of the options can be decided directly without any calculation. क्या मैंने बोला? Some of the options may be decided directly without any calculation. How? एक एक करके चलते हैं. First, we are discussing first option. Let f of x is equal to sine of mod x plus mod x. Is it? I have sine of mod x plus mod x. Now, what about mod x? याद करिए, हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था mod x क्या होता है? Mod x is not differentiable. Sine of mod x, it is also not differentiable. So दो not differentiable का sum may or may not be differentiable. ये mod x है, not differentiable. यहाँ पे भी mod है, ये भी doubtful है. दो not differentiable का sum may or may not be differentiable. So here we will have to check. And if this calculation is clear to you, then we can make the problem simple. Sine of mod x plus mod x, if we open the mod sign, I am going to write sine of x plus x for x greater than equal to 0 and minus sine x minus x for x less than 0. What I have done, I have removed the mod sign, taking two cases, x positive, x negative. X negative mod open with minus, sine of minus x minus sine x. Now I will check this function. So at x equal to 0, LHD limit over f of 0 minus h minus f0 divided by minus h. For f of 0 minus h, I will use this definition. So minus times sine of 0 minus h minus 0 minus h and f0. f0 यहाँ रखोगे तो sin 0 plus 0 divided by minus h. So it is limit over sine of h plus h divided by minus h. We can write it limit over minus time sin h by h minus 1. Now sin theta by theta is 1. So we are getting minus 2. We are getting minus 2. Now RHD limit over f of 0 plus h minus f0 divided by h. For f of 0 plus h, we will use first definition. So sine of 0 plus h plus 0 plus h minus 0 divided by h. It is limit over sine h by h plus 1 after solving. This is 2. Clear? So LHD is coming minus 2, RHD is coming plus 2. So what to say? Not differentiable. We have got our answer, and answer is not differentiable. तो नॉट डिफरेंशिएबल हम लोगों ने किसको प्रूफ किया? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन को. चेकिंग फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, क्लियरली वी आर गेटिंग नॉट डिफरेंशिएबल. इज इट? नाउ आई एम कमिंग टू द सेकेंड वन. सेकेंड वन इज व्हाट? साइन ऑफ मॉड एक्स माइनस एक्स. Second one is sine of mod x minus mod x. Once again, not differentiable. Because of mod, it is also doubtful. Though not differentiable का difference may or may not be. Using the definition of mod, हम लोगों ने open कर लिया. तो sin x minus x and minus sin x plus x. If x greater than equal to 0, if x less than 0. Now we will find LHD, RHD at x equal to 0. So LHD, f of 0 minus h will come from second definition. So minus sine 0 minus h plus 0 minus h minus f0 0 divided by minus h. It is limit over, ये आपका बन जाएगा माइनस साइन थीटा माइनस माइनस प्लस साइन एच अपॉन माइनस एच प्लस माइनस एच अपॉन माइनस एच 1. नाउ इट इज साइन थीटा बाई थीटा 1. तो माइनस 1 प्लस 1 वी आर गेटिंग 0. देन आर एच डी लिमिट ओवर एफ ऑफ 0 प्लस एच. वी विल टेक for f of 0 plus h, we will take first definition. So sine of 0 plus h minus 0 plus h minus 0 divided by h. It is limit over sine h by h minus 1. Sin theta by theta की limit 1. So 1 minus 1 we are getting 0. Student, for the second option, LHD, RHD both are coming 0. So what about the answer? Differentiable at x equal to 0. Differentiable at x equal to 0. I hope till now अभी तक की कैलकुलेशन में कुछ भी न्यू आपको नहीं लग रहा होगा. 4 ऑप्शंस गिवन है एंड वन बाई वन आई हैव चेक्ड फर्स्ट 2 ऑप्शंस. तो आपको लग रहा होगा कि इट्स अ नॉर्मल प्रोसेस, नथिंग इज न्यू हियर. अब देखना, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डू समथिंग स्पेशल. आई एम कमिंग टू द थर्ड पार्ट. इट इज cos of mod x plus mod x. अब मेरी वर्किंग पे ध्यान देना. नाउ mod x क्या होगा? इधर इट विल बी प्लस x और माइनस x. mod x विल बी व्हाट? इधर प्लस x और माइनस x. दोनों ही कंडीशन में cos क्या होगा? cos x. आर यू गेटिंग इट? बताइए. इन द थर्ड ऑप्शन, function cos of mod x plus mod x is equivalent to cos x plus mod x. Now it's a trigonometric function, and trigonometric function is what? Differentiable. It's a mod x, and what we know about mod x? Not differentiable. And now recall the table. Differentiable, not differentiable का sum क्या होता है? Not differentiable. So without any major calculation, directly we have answer not differentiable at x equal to 0. Calculation I did in first and second option is not required here in third option. In third option, function is directly sum of differentiable plus not differentiable, and we know differentiable plus not differentiable is always not differentiable. Now, fourth option, let f of x is equal to cos of mod x minus mod x. Now once again, mod x is what? Mod of x is either plus x or minus x, and in both the situation, cos theta, cos of plus theta, cos of minus theta, both cos theta. Now, once again we have differentiable and not differentiable. From the table we know that difference of differentiable and not differentiable is what? Not differentiable. So directly we can answer not differentiable at x equal to 0. Getting me? In first 2 options we have solved fully to check LHD equal to RHD or not. But here in third and fourth option, no need of any calculation. Directly we can decide function is differentiable or not differentiable. So, in this way, what are we getting? Third option not differentiable, fourth option not differentiable, and first option was also not differentiable. So, what are the answers? There are 3 answers. First is our answer, third is our answer, fourth is our answer. हमसे क्या पूछा गया था? Not differentiable. तो clearly we are getting first one, third one and fourth one. Is it clear? Note करिए. Now, next problem. Problem number 3. Discuss continuity and differentiability. Function given to us one minus x, 1 minus x, 2 minus x, 3 minus x, 1 minus x when x is less than 1, 2 minus x when x is in between 1 and 2, and third option when x is greater than 2. Okay. Problem given is discuss continuity and differentiability. Student, problem की language पे ध्यान दीजिएगा. What we have to do? We have to discuss differentiability as well as continuity. Clear? Now, is it given in the problem where to check continuity, where to check differentiability? Answer is no. Only wording given is discuss continuity, differentiability. That means for all x, we have to comment on continuity and differentiability. This is not the problem where particular point is given to check continuity, differentiability. We have to answer for all x, where function is continuous, where discontinuous, where differentiable, where not differentiable. So in such kind of problem, how to start? Fine. Now, याद करिए, हम लोगों ने कुछ important points लिखे थे. कुछ important points लिखे थे कहाँ पे? Important points to remember in continuity as well as differentiability. For less than 1, definition of function is what? Linear, polynomial. In between 1 and 2, product of two linear, quadratic, again a polynomial. For greater than 2, again a polynomial. So what I am going to write, उस पर ध्यान दीजिएगा. Since for all x less than 1, f of x is a polynomial, so differentiable. Same line again. Since for all x between 1 and 2, ध्यान देना, मैंने इक्वल का साइन नहीं लिया क्योंकि 1 और 2 हमारे एंड पॉइंट है. अभी मैंने ओपन इंटरवल लिया है. बट फॉर ऑल एक्स बिटवीन 1 and 2, f of x is a polynomial, so differentiable. Then since for all x greater than 2, f of x is a polynomial, so differentiable. Fine. And we know that differentiable is automatically continuous. We know that differentiable is automatically continuous. Then such kind of problem, for so many x, we are able to comment directly. Less than 1 के लिए polynomial, which is always differentiable, and differentiable is automatically continuous. Between 1 and 2, again polynomial, which is differentiable as well as continuous. For greater than 2, polynomial, which is differentiable as well as continuous. So we have problem where we have to discuss continuity and differentiability for all x. We are able to comment for less than 1, between 1 and 2, and for greater than 2. But now question arises regarding 1 and 2. मैंने आपको important point to remember में लिखवाया था, points where definition change. We must check continuity as well as differentiability. Now, definition is changing at 1, definition is changing at 2. So we must check continuity and differentiability at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. Clear? Accepting 1 and 2, ऑटोमेटिकली वी हैव डिफरेंशिएबल एज वेल एज कंटिन्यूअस। जो डिफरेंशिएबल होता है वो कंटिन्यूअस भी होता है, but at 1 and 2 we will have to check differentiability as well as continuity. In my last lecture I clearly told you, whenever we have to check continuity and differentiability both, what should we check first? Differentiability. So here at x equal to 1 I am going to check differentiability first, और differentiability में भी क्या निकालेंगे? LHD. Formula for LHD, limit over f 1 minus h minus f of 1 divided by minus h. f of 1 minus h फंक्शन की वैल्यू 1 से छोटे पे, लेस देन 1 पे 1 माइनस एक्स, वी विल फॉलो फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन. हाउ? सो लिमिट ओवर, अब इस पे ध्यान देना, हमें पहला डेफिनेशन फॉलो करना है. अकॉर्डिंग टू पहला डेफिनेशन व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, अंदर का इनपुट बाहर आके 1 माइनस, इनपुट क्या है 1 माइनस एच, बाहर क्या आएगा 1 माइनस एच. नाउ F1 1 पे इक्वल का साइन, सो F1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 divided by minus h. So in this manner limit over h minus 0 divided by minus h, what are we getting? Minus 1. At x equal to 1 LHD is coming minus 1. At x equal to 1 LHD is coming minus 1. Now RHD. So at x equal to 1 RHD limit over f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 divided by h. For f of 1 plus h, input 1 से बड़ा, which definition? Second. So 1 minus 1 plus h into 2 minus 1 plus h minus f1, putting 1 0 divided by h. It is limit over 1 से 1 cancel होगा, so minus h into 1 minus h divided by h. h और h cancel. What are we going to get? Now putting h is equal to 0, minus 1. I have found LHD, RHD at x equal to 1. And what are I getting? What am I getting? RHD minus 1, LHD was also minus 1. So since LHD is equal to RHD is equal to minus 1 at x equal to 1, so f of x is differentiable. और जो डिफरेंशिएबल होता है वो कंटिन्यूअस भी होता है, डिफरेंशिएबल एंड कंटिन्यूअस बोथ एट x equal to 1. Clear? Regarding differentiability and continuity, there was doubt at 2 points, 1 and 2. So we have checked at x equal to 1 and clearly we are getting differentiable as well as continuous. Now I will check at x equal to 2. At x equal to 2, LHD is equal to limit over f of 2 minus h minus f2 divided by minus h. How much f of 2 minus h? Function की वैल्यू 2 के पहले, function की वैल्यू 2 के पहले, second definition. So 1 minus 2 minus h, 2 minus h, f2. f2 will come from second definition. बताइए second definition में x की जगह 2 रखने पे 0 आएगा. divided by minus h. So it is limit over 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus h, 2 से 2 कैंसिल, h अपॉन माइनस h और h मैंने कैंसिल कर दिया. नाउ पुटिंग h इज इक्वल टू 0, माइनस 1 अपॉन माइनस 1, आई एम गेटिंग 1. Now at x equal to 2 we will find RHD. Formula for RHD, limit over f of 2 plus h minus f2 divided by h, s tending to 0 plus. f of 2 plus h फंक्शन की डेफिनेशन 2 से बड़े के लिए, 2 से बड़े के लिए थर्ड डेफिनेशन सेज व्हाट, अंदर का इनपुट बाहर आके 3 माइनस, अंदर क्या है 2 प्लस एच, तो बाहर क्या आएगा 3 माइनस 2 प्लस एच माइनस f2, 2 पे इक्वल, सेकेंड डेफिनेशन पुटिंग टू 0 डिवाइडेड बाई h. सो इट इज लिमिट ओवर 3 माइनस 2 1 माइनस h डिवाइडेड बाई h, s tending to 0. Now 1 by h in putting h equal to 0, infinite. स्टूडेंट ध्यान दीजिए, at x equal to 2 LHD is coming 1, RHD is coming infinite. Now we have seen relation between continuity and differentiability. What was that? If any derivative is coming infinite, then continuity is doubtful. LHD, RHD, they are not equal, so clearly not differentiable. What to say about continuity? Since derivative is coming infinity, so continuity is doubtful, we will have to check. So I am going to write, since LHD not equal to RHD, so function is not differentiable. Function is not differentiable at x equal to 2. But we cannot say anything about continuity as RHD is equal to infinite. So we will check continuity at x equal to 2. इस पे ध्यान दीजिए स्टूडेंट्स. Relation between continuity and differentiability. If derivatives are not equal, not differentiable, and derivative is coming infinite, so continuity is doubtful, we will have to check continuity separately. That I am going to do here. To check continuity at x equal to 2, what to do? We will find LHL formula, limit over f of 2 minus h, f of 2 minus h, 2 के पहले का definition, so limit over 1 minus 2 minus h into 2 minus 2 minus h, 2 से 2 cancel, putting h equal to 0, clearly we have 0. RHL, limit over f of 2 plus h, s tending to 0 plus. For 2 plus h, which definition? Third. So limit over 3 minus 2 plus h. Now putting h is equal to 0, I am getting 1. Check करिए. at x equal to 2, function is coming not differentiable, and continuity we will check separately. When we are going for continuity, then at x equal to 2, LHL is coming 0, RHL is coming 1. What does it mean? F of x is discontinuous at x equal to 2. Now, if we talk about final answer, so what is our final answer? At x equal to 2, function is not differentiable. At x equal to 2, function is not differentiable as well as not continuous. At x equal to 2, we are getting not differentiable as well as not continuous. While at x equal to 1, we have got continuous as well as differentiable. In this problem, our job was to discuss continuity and differentiability. That means for every x, we have to comment on continuity and differentiability. Less than 1, polynomial, differentiable as well as continuous. Between 1 and 2, polynomial, differentiable as well as continuous. For greater than 2, polynomial, differentiable as well as continuous. There was doubt only and only at x equal to 1 and 2. Why? Because their definition is changing. जिस पॉइंट पे डेफिनेशन बदलती है वहां पे कंटिन्यूटी डिफरेंशियबिलिटी चेक करनी चाहिए. सो वी हैव टू चेक एट x इक्वल टू 1 एंड 2. हमने चेक किया 1 पे, चेक किया डिफरेंशियबिलिटी, डिफरेंशियबल आ गया, डिफरेंशियबल है तो ऑटोमेटिकली कंटिन्यूअस. देन हमने 2 पे चेक किया, 2 पे डिफरेंशियबल नहीं निकला एंड RHD वॉज इनफाइनाइट, सो कंटिन्यूटी अलग से चेक करना पड़ा. After doing that, we are getting discontinuous. So the final answer, continuous as well as differentiable at x equal to 1, but at x equal to 2, not differentiable as well as not continuous. Clear? So now I am removing this problem from here. Now I am coming to problem number 4. Once again, discuss continuity and differentiability. Function f of x is equal to x upon 1 plus mod x. Student, once again it is not given where we have to check continuity and differentiability. Only the function is given और हमसे बोला गया discuss continuity and differentiability. That means we have to answer for every x. Now, what will we do? Since numerator is continuous everywhere, numerator is continuous everywhere, denominator is continuous everywhere. So f of x will be continuous for all x because ratio of two continuous functions is also continuous. स्टूडेंट मेरे इस पे लॉजिक पे ध्यान दीजिए. आई एम नॉट डूइंग एनी वर्किंग इन द नेम ऑफ कंटिन्यूटी. न्यूमरेटर इज एक्स विच इज ऑलवेज कंटिन्यूअस. डिनोमिनेटर 1 प्लस मॉड एक्स. मॉड एक्स कंटिन्यूअस होता है, 1 कंटिन्यूअस होता है, दो कंटिन्यूअस का सम कंटिन्यूअस. न्यूमरेटर इज कंटिन्यूअस, डिनोमिनेटर इज कंटिन्यूअस एंड रेशियो ऑफ टू कंटिन्यूअस इज ऑल्सो कंटिन्यूअस. ये मैं कहाँ से लेके आया? फ्रॉम द टेबल. हम लोगों ने कंटिन्यूटी के चैप्टर में टेबल पढ़ी थी. दो कंटिन्यूअस का रेशियो क्या होता है? कंटिन्यूअस. न्यूमरेटर कंटिन्यूअस, डिनोमिनेटर कंटिन्यूअस. सो ओवरऑल फंक्शन इज कंटिन्यूअस फॉर ऑल एक्स बिलोंगिंग टू आर. रिगार्डिंग कंटिन्यूटी देयर इज नो कंफ्यूजन. ओवरऑल फंक्शन इज कंटिन्यूअस एवरीवेयर. नाउ आई एम कमिंग टू द डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी. Since numerator is differentiable for all x, numerator is differentiable for all x, denominator is not differentiable. Denominator is not differentiable at x equal to 0. So f of x is doubtful for differentiability at x equal to 0. Now once again use of table. In part of differentiability we have seen ratio of differentiable and not differentiable. May or may not be differentiable. Numerator में x है which is differentiable, but denominator में mod x है which is not differentiable at x equal to 0. So this overall function is doubtful for differentiability at x equal to 0. Doubtful means may or may not be differentiable. We will decide by checking. So at x equal to 0, I will find LHD. Formula: limit over f of 0 minus h minus f0 divided by minus h. So how much f of 0 minus h? 0 minus h divided by 1 plus mod 0 minus h f0, putting 0, whole divided by minus h. Now we can calculate it. So it is limit over minus h upon 1 plus h divided by minus h. Minus h cancel करने के बाद putting h equal to 0 we have 1. Check करिए. minus h cancel हो गया. Then putting h is equal to 0. Minus h cancel, then putting h equal to 0 we have 1. Now we will find RHD at x equal to 0. Formula for RHD: limit over f of 0 plus h minus f0 whole divided by h. Now value of f of 0 plus h, how much? 0 plus h divided by 1 plus mod of 0 plus h f0 0 divided by h. It is limit over h upon 1 plus h whole divided by h. H cancel, putting h is equal to 0. What I am getting? I am getting 1. Clear? Function is doubtful for differentiability at x equal to 0. So we will have to check at 0. Checking at x equal to 0, LHD is coming 1, RHD is coming 1. LHD, RHD both are coming 1. LHD, RHD both are coming 1. So now what to write? Since LHD is equal to RHD at x equal to 0, so f of x is differentiable. F of x is differentiable at x equal to 0. Now, what will be our final answer? याद करिए कंटिन्यूटी के बारे में क्या कहा, कंटिन्यूअस एवरीवेयर, और रिगार्डिंग डिफरेंशियबिलिटी देयर वाज डाउट एट विच पॉइंट, x इक्वल टू 0. आफ्टर चेकिंग x इक्वल टू 0 वो डाउट भी क्लियर हो गया. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू राइट f of x is differentiable, f of x is differentiable for all x. That's my final answer. F of x is differentiable for all x. स्टूडेंट ध्यान दीजिए, इस प्रॉब्लम में धोखा होता है. मॉड को देखकर फील आता है कि दिस फंक्शन विल नॉट बी डिफरेंशिएबल, बट ऐसा नहीं है. न्यूमरेटर डिफरेंशिएबल है, डिनोमिनेटर नॉट डिफरेंशिएबल है. नाउ फ्रॉम द टेबल रेशियो ऑफ डिफरेंशिएबल नॉट डिफरेंशिएबल मे और मे नॉट बी डिफरेंशिएबल. This function was doubtful regarding differentiability at x equal to 0. So it was our duty to check at x equal to 0, and after checking we have found differentiable at x equal to 0. Remaining point पे पहले से differentiable था, 0 पे differentiable आ गया. So now what is our final answer? F of x is differentiable for all x. Continuous पहले से था, differentiable आ गया. So what the final answer? Given function is differentiable as well as continuous for all x. Differentiable as well as continuous for all x. Clear? समझ गए? चलिए मैं अलग कर रहा हूं प्रॉब्लम. Now similar nature की दूसरी प्रॉब्लम ले रहा हूं. Once again we have to discuss continuity and differentiability. This time our function mod over x minus 3 if x greater than or equal to 1 and x square by 4 minus 3x by 2 plus 13 by 4 if x less than 1. Once again we have to discuss continuity as well as differentiability. Function given, we have to discuss continuity and differentiability. Fine. So not given where to check, not given where to check, so we will check for every x. Definition बदल रहा है, किस पे बदल रहा है, x equal to 1 पे. So it is necessary to check at x equal to 1 because definition is changing. But what about x greater than, for x greater than 1, for x less than 1? चलिए देखते हैं. For greater than 1 function is what? Mod, पहले less than 1 की बात करें. For less than 1 polynomial, तो I am going to write since for x less than 1 f of x is a polynomial function. So for all x less than 1, f of x is continuous and differentiable both. For all x less than 1, function is continuous and differentiable both. Less than 1 के लिए we have a polynomial and we know that polynomial is always continuous as well as differentiable. Then greater than 1 के लिए we have a mod function and we know about mod. Mod is continuous if inside is continuous. x minus 3 एक linear है, और लीनियर का मॉड क्या होगा, कंटिन्यूअस होगा। तो अब मैं लिखने जा रहा हूं सिंस फॉर ऑल x ग्रेटर देन 1 f of x is a mod function so for all x greater than 1 f of x is continuous but not differentiable at x equal to 3। चलिए इस पे ध्यान देते हैं। फॉर x ग्रेटर देन 1 अवर फंक्शन इज मॉड ऑफ अ लीनियर। हम लोगों ने कंटिन्यूटी में पढ़ा था कंटिन्यूअस का मॉड कंटिन्यूअस होता है, x माइनस 3 इज कंटिन्यूअस तो मॉड क्या होगा, कंटिन्यूअस। तो मैंने क्या लिखा, फॉर x ग्रेटर देन 1 एफ एक्स इज कंटिन्यूअस। बट डिफरेंशियबिलिटी में क्या पढ़ा था, मॉड के अंदर अगर लीनियर हो तो नॉट डिफरेंशिएबल होता है, मॉड के अंदर लीनियर नॉट डिफरेंशिएबल होता है। और नॉट डिफरेंशिएबल कहां पे होता है, वेयर क्वांटिटी इनसाइड मॉड 0, मॉड के अंदर वाली क्वांटिटी कहां पे 0 होगी, 3 पे। तो देखो मैंने क्या लिखा, नॉट डिफरेंशिएबल एट x इक्वल टू 3, ग्रेटर देन 1 पे कंटिन्यूअस एवरीवेयर, डिफरेंशिएबल एवरीवेयर एक्सेप्टिंग x इक्वल टू 3। फाइन। तो अभी तक हम लोगों ने चेकिंग कर ली लेस देन 1 के लिए, ग्रेटर देन 1 के लिए, बट 1 पे चेक करना बाकी है। 1 पे डायरेक्टली नहीं बोल सकते, क्यों नहीं बोल सकते, क्योंकि 1 पे डेफिनेशन बदल रहा है। तो मैं लिख रहा हूं सिंस f of x has change in definition at x equal to 1, so we will check continuity and differentiability both at x equal to 1। we will check continuity and differentiability both at x equal to 1। और जब बात आती है कंटिन्यूटी और डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी दोनों चेक करने की, तो कहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं, वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी। So now I am going to check differentiability at x equal to 1. For that purpose, I will find LHD formula, limit over result is -1. LHD we are getting -1. Now LHD में upon h होता है. So f of 1 plus h, which definition will be taken? First one. So limit over mod of 1 plus h minus 3 minus f1, putting 1 minus 3 minus 2 का mod plus 2, so it is limit over, now 1 minus 3 mod के अंदर h minus 2 minus 2। स्टूडेंट बहुत अच्छे से इस चीज को समझिएगा, अब आपको यहीं पे कंफ्यूजन होगा। देखिए मॉड के अंदर क्या दिख रहा है, h माइनस 2। मॉड का काम क्या होता है, चीज़ों को पॉजिटिव बनाना। फाइन। ये भी कह सकते हैं कि मॉड प्लस के साथ खुलता है कब, व्हेन क्वांटिटी इनसाइड पॉजिटिव। मॉड माइनस के साथ खुलता है कब, व्हेन क्वांटिटी इनसाइड नेगेटिव। लेट्स चेक। मॉड के अंदर क्या है, h माइनस 2। h क्या है, टेंडिंग टू 0 प्लस। h एक बहुत छोटी क्वांटिटी होती है, तो h माइनस 2 क्या हुआ, निगेटिव। मॉड के अंदर निगेटिव, तो मॉड किसके साथ खुलेगा, माइनस के साथ। आई एम राइटिंग 2 माइनस h इस पॉइंट पे ध्यान दीजिएगा, आप में से कई लोगों को कंफ्यूजन होगा। मॉड के अंदर क्या था, h माइनस 2। मॉड खोल के मैंने क्या लिख दिया, 2 माइनस h। हाउ, h बहुत स्मॉल क्वांटिटी होती है तो h माइनस टू क्या हुआ, निगेटिव, नेगेटिव का मॉड माइनस के साथ खुलता है, तो h माइनस टू क्या हो गया, 2 माइनस एच, नाउ कैंसिल, 2 विथ 2 माइनस एच अपॉन एच, इट इज माइनस 1. क्लियर? सो what is our answer? Since LHD is equal to RHD at x equal to 1, so f of x is differentiable at x equal to 1. 1 पे डाउट था क्योंकि डेफिनेशन बदल रही थी, चेक कर लिया, डिफरेंशिएबल आ गया, डिफरेंशिएबल है तो ऑटोमेटिकली कंटिन्यूअस होगा. क्लियर? और इससे पहले 3 पे क्या आया था, नॉट डिफरेंशिएबल आया था. सो फाइनल आंसर क्या होगा? सो एफ ऑफ एक्स इज कंटिन्यूअस एवरीवेयर बट नॉट differentiable. Continuous everywhere but not differentiable at x equal to 3. This is our final answer. Continuous everywhere but not differentiable at x equal to 3. This function continuous everywhere but not differentiable at x equal to 3. Student, check my calculation step by step, do these problems 2 to 3 times. कि हमें कंटिन्यूटी डिफरेंशियबिलिटी की बात करनी थी फॉर ऑल एक्स. किस तरह हम लोगों ने लेस देन 1 पॉलिनोमियल की बात बोली, ग्रेटर देन 1 मॉड फंक्शन की बात बोली. चेक केवल एक ही पॉइंट पे किया, 1 पे. क्यों? क्योंकि वहां पे डेफिनेशन बदल रहा था. इन दिस वे वी आर रीचिंग टू अवर फाइनल आंसर, दैट इज f of x is continuous everywhere but not differentiable at x equal to 3. Okay? Now I am taking problem number 6. Find the points where f of x is equal to min x comma x square is not differentiable. Now this will be a new kind of problem for you. I will do this problem graphically. याद करिए हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था points where we get sharp point, corner point function is not differentiable. So I will draw graph here. Now this min will be a new term for you. What is the meaning of min x comma x square? So min has meaning minimum. Minimum मतलब कम. We will draw graph of x square for the same coordinate axis. क्या बोला मैंने? Graph of x square for the same coordinate axis. Now out of the two graph, our interest will be in the portion which is minimum. Minimum मतलब lower side. चलिए देखिए मैं कैसे कर रहा हूं. We will draw graph of x, line passing through origin. Now graph of x square, upward parabola, where two graphs are cutting, they are cutting at 1. Graph of x square. We have to go for min. Min has meaning minimum. So now out of these two graph, line x का ग्राफ है, पैराबोला x स्क्वायर का ग्राफ है. Now I will start from left hand. I will go from left to right and I will pick the portion which is on the lower side. one graph is parabola, other one is line passing through horizon. Now moving left to right, portion which is on the lower side, तो देखो first we have line, then we have parabola, then we have line. लेफ्ट से मैंने स्टार्ट किया तो पहले नीचे कौन है, पोर्शन ऑफ लाइन, ओरिजिन देखा है. नाउ आफ्टर ओरिजिन portion on the lower side is parabola, then portion on the lower side is line. So in this way portion denoted by red color is my required graph. Graph of min, portion denoted by red color is our required graph. Now in this red color portion, are we getting sharp point, corner point? Yes, we are getting sharp point at 0, we are getting sharp point at 1. So clear cut our answer, x equal to 0 and 1. We have two answer, x equal to 0 and 1. We have taken min of x and x square, and at two places, x equal to 0, x equal to 1, we are getting corner, we are getting sharp point. So our answer is x equal to 0 and 1. Similar kind of problem, one more I am taking. This time I have max of 1 minus x, 1 plus x to f of x is equal to, once again find points of non-differentiability. Okay, this time max is given to us. Max का मतलब क्या होगा, maximum. 1 minus x का ग्राफ बनाइए, 1 plus x का ग्राफ बनाइए, 2 का ग्राफ बनाइए. Then out of these three graph, portion which is on the upper side, that will be our required graph. Let's do it. Graph of 1 minus x. Minus x, line passing through origin. 1 minus x, 1 unit ऊपर. So this is graph of 1 minus x. Now 1 plus x, line passing through origin, 1 unit ऊपर. This is graph of 1 plus x. Where are they cutting? They are intersecting at 1. Now 2. 2 का ग्राफ क्या होगा? Graph of 2 will be horizontal line cutting y-axis at 2. So this is graph of 2. 2 का मतलब है y equal to 2. Fine. 2 का मतलब है y equal to 2, which is line parallel to x-axis. Clear? Points की अगर बात करें, so here we have coordinate 1 and here we have minus 1. Now moving left to right, we have to go for max. Moving left to right, portion which is on the upper side, हमारे तीन ग्राफ हैं, ये लाइन और ये हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन. Out of these three graph, which portion is on the upper side? First I have this line. Now which portion is on the upper side? This horizontal line. Now which portion is on the upper side? This line. So portion denoted by red color is our required graph. Are you getting corner? Are you getting corner? Yes, we are getting corner at -1 and 1. So what is the answer this time? Answer is -1 and +1. हमसे पूछा गया find the points of non-differentiability. We have drawn the graph and clearly at x equal to -1 and x equal to 1, we are getting sharp point, corner point. So our answer is x equal to -1 and x equal to plus 1. Is it? So स्टूडेंट इन प्रॉब्लम्स को याद कर लीजिए कि कभी भी मेन और मैक्स की बात की जाए, मेन और मैक्स की बात की जाए, सो वी गो बाय ग्राफ. Problem number 8. If f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y for all x and y belonging to real, for all x and y belonging to real, f dash 0 is 2, f of 5 is 3, find f dash 5. Clear? Now student इस पे ध्यान दीजिएगा. We have to find f dash 5. Functional equation is given to you and they are asking f dash 5. Clear? Now f dash 5 का meaning क्या हुआ? Derivative at 5. f dash 5 is equivalent to what? Left hand derivative at 5, right hand derivative at 5, or in other word, you can remember the formula I am writing. If f of x is differentiable, f of x is differentiable at x equal to a, then f dash a is equal to limit over f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h, s tending to 0, limit over f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. We can say it cover LHD and RHD both. I have written as tending to 0, not 0 plus. So this single one include LHD and RHD both. You want formula for derivative at some point a. So f dash a का मतलब क्या होता है? Derivative. Formula limit over f of a plus h minus f of a whole divided by h. Now here in this problem, our requirement is f dash 5. So f dash 5, how much? Limit over f of 5 plus h minus f of 5 divided by h. Now using the functional equation given, what is given to us? F of x plus y is equal to fx into fy. So I am writing f of 5 into f of h minus f of 5 divided by h. Can I take common anything? Yes, f of 5 is common. So f of 5 into limit over f of h minus 1 divided by h. Is it? f5 कॉमन है और वो लिमिट के बाहर चला गया क्योंकि लिमिट किसके लिए है? h के लिए. तो एनीथिंग इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ h बाहर आ गई. नाउ अब आप यहां देखना, if I put x and y both 0, what will I get? f0 whole square, f0, I will get f0 is equal to f0 whole square, which means f0 is 0 and 1. In this functional equation, I have put x and y both 0. So what I am getting? f0 equal to 0, f0 equal to 1. 0 को मैं अलग कर रहा हूँ. f0 cannot be 0. f0 cannot be 0. Why? f5 is given 3. इसको समझना. कि मैंने f0 0 क्यों नहीं लिया. If I put y0, y को अगर मैं 0 रख दूँ तो क्या बन जाएगा, fx इक्वल टू fx f0. तो अगर मैंने f0 को 0 ले लिया तो राइट हैंड पूरा 0 हो जाएगा. नहीं समझ में आएगा, फिर से सुना. या चलो, f5 इज गिवन 3, x को 5 लो, y को 0 लो, x को 5, y को 0, तो f5 हो जाएगा, f5 f0. अगर मैंने f0 को 0 ले लिया तो ये पूरा क्या हो जाएगा 0, जबकि f5 क्या गिवन है 3. नाउ ये जो मैंने अब निकाला f0 इज 1, इसका बेनिफिट देखना क्या हुआ. सो f'5 इज इक्वल टू f of 5 into limit over f0 plus h minus f0 डिवाइडेड बाई h. इस पे ध्यान दो. ये जो 1 था, 1 को मैंने f0 लिख लिया, सो नाउ f'5 is equal to f of 5 into f'0. May I call it f'0? f'(a) का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. The f of 0 plus h minus f0 divided by h will be what, f'0. And we have the values. f5 is how much, 3. f'0 is how much, 2. They will make 6. This is our answer. So here main step is this one. We were getting f0 0 as well as 1, but 0 is not taken. Why? फिर से मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ. आपके पास f5 3 है, x की जगह 5 रखो, y की जगह 0, x की जगह 5, y की जगह 0, क्या बनेगा, f5 f0. अब अगर f0 को मैंने 0 ले लिया तो ये पूरा 0 चला जाएगा, तो f5 0 आ जाएगा, जबकि f5 क्या है 3. That's the reason f0 cannot be taken 0. So final answer we are getting 6. So our answer is f'5 is equal to 6. Now dear students, we have problem number 9. Once again a functional equation is given, value of derivative at 1 is given, but this time our requirement is f of x. So आप रट लीजिए, problems where some functional equation is given, information about derivative is given and function is demanded. We start problem using formula of derivative. For example here, f dash x limit over f of x plus h minus f of x the whole divided by h, whereas tending to 0. Now check how can we use this functional equation. As per this functional equation, difference of two function is what, f of x by y. Same is here, difference of two function. So I am going to write f of x plus h upon x. आप यहाँ लिख लो using f rule. That means using this functional equation. So limit over f of 1 plus h by x upon h. Now f dash x is equal to limit over f of 1 plus h by x minus f1 divided by h. ये मैं कैसे लाया, आप x और y दोनों को 1 रखो. So how much f1? f1 is clearly 0. f1 is 0, so मैंने माइनस क्या कर दिया f1. So now f dash x is equal to limit over f of 1 plus h by x minus f of 1 divided by x into h by x, and here we can write h by x tending to 0. बताओ, s tending to 0 था, मैंने लिख लिया h by x, that is allowed. Now you must see this portion. Is it f of a plus h minus fa divided by h? So this whole term we can replace by f dash 1. And what is given to us? F dash 1 is 1. So f dash 1 is equal to 1 by x. Now student, see this point carefully. Here you may have confusion. F dash x is equal to 1 by x. So I am writing f of x log x plus c. कैसे आया? इंटीग्रेशन. आगे चल के हम लोग इंटीग्रेशन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. तो अभी आप केवल रट लो कि f डैश x 1 बाई एक्स है, तो आफ्टर इंटीग्रेशन f ऑफ x log x प्लस सी. उल्टा करो, f ऑफ x log x प्लस सी, डिफरेंशिएशन करोगे तो क्या मिलेगा? f डैश x 1 बाई एक्स. नाउ व्हाट इज c? c is a constant unknown to us since f1 is 1, x की जगह 1 रख दो, so c equal to 0. So finally our answer f of x is equal to log of x. That's our final answer. F of x is equal to log of x. Clear? Functional equation given, value of derivative at 1 is given, we are looking for function. I have started with the formula f dash x. Here to make it f dash 1, I have done all this management. 1 plus h by x था, तो नीचे भी क्या बना h by x, क्योंकि हमारा फॉर्मूला क्या होता है f of a plus h minus fa upon h. तो h के नाम पे h by x था, तो नीचे भी क्या होना चाहिए h by x. तो ये पूरा क्या बन गया f dash 1. Clear? Okay students, now we have question number 10 where we have to check continuity of f dash, f double dash in open interval 0 to 2. First of all, we will talk about continuity of f. Now, as you can see, between 0 and 1, we have polynomial which is continuous. Between 1 and 2, we have polynomial which is continuous. So, we will check only and only at 1 because their definition is changing. We have to check only at x equal to 1. Why? Because between 0 and 1 polynomial continuous, between 1 and 2 polynomial continuous. So we have to check only at x equal to 1. Now at x equal to 1, LHL limit over f 1 minus h is tending to 0 plus, it is limit over 1 minus h whole square by 2. It is clearly 1 by 2. Now RHL limit over f of 1 plus h, which is limit over 2 times 1 plus h whole square minus 3 times 1 plus h plus 3 by 2. Putting h is equal to 0, it is also 1 by 2. Then f of 1 is equal to 2 times 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Since LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f of 1 at x equal to 1. So f is continuous at x equal to 1. F is continuous at x equal to 1. Fine. So f is continuous in open interval 0 to 2. That's okay. regarding continuity of f, we have checked only at 1. Why? Because at 1 definition is changing. Between 0 and 1 continuous, between 1 and 2 continuous. So we have checked only at 1 and we are getting continuous. So f is continuous in whole interval 0 to 2. Clear? Now we will go for continuity of f dash. We will go for continuity of f dash, but f dash की continuity check करने से पहले we must have f dash. So f dash x, how much? It is 2x by 2 and 4x minus 3 plus 0. In between 0 and 1, in between 1 and 2. Now student remember this point. If you are doing the direct differentiation to get derivative, remember direct differentiation is not allowed at the point where definition is changing. Definition is changing at 1, so direct differentiation is not allowed. That's the reason I do not have equality sign at 1. First we will check differentiability at 1. Only then we can take equal sign. आपने डायरेक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन कर दिया तो डायरेक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन ओपन इंटरवल में अलाउ है. अब जिस पॉइंट पे डेफिनेशन चेंज हो रहा है, यू विल हैव टू चेक वेदर फंक्शन इज डिफरेंशिएबल और नॉट. एफ डैश विल बी डिफाइन और नॉट. सो आई विल चेक डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी ऑफ f at x equal to 1. LHD limit over f of 1 minus h minus f of 1 divided by minus h. So it is limit over 1 minus h whole square by 2 minus f of 1. 2 minus 3 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 1 by, it is 1 by 2 divided by minus h. So limit over 1 plus h square minus 2h minus 1 divided by minus 2h. So finally this will come h square minus 2h. H square upon minus 2h, this will come minus this is h square, so minus half plus 1, finally it will come 1 by 2. RHD we are checking, so h square, so minus 1 by 2 plus 1, we are checking differentiability of f at 1. So 2x f of 1 minus h, 1 minus h and 2 minus 3 minus 1 plus 3 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 plus h square minus 2h minus 1 h square minus 2h. We will cancel, oh sorry, it will come 1. It will come 1. जब आप इसको डिवाइड करोगे तो h स्क्वायर माइनस 2h, एक h ऊपर रह जाएगा, प्लस 1 आएगा. RHD लिमिट ओवर f ऑफ 1 प्लस h माइनस f ऑफ 1 डिवाइडेड बाई प्लस h. सो f of 1 plus h, right hand definition, so 2 times 1 plus h whole square minus 3 times 1 plus h plus 3 by 2 minus f of 1 by 2 upon h. It is limit over 2 times 1 plus h square plus 2h minus 3h plus 1 divided by h. After solving this limit, we have 1. After solving this limit, we have 1. So LHD, RHD, both are coming 1. That means function is differentiable at x equal to 1. function is differentiable at x equal to 1. So we can continue equal sign here. स्टूडेंट इस बात पे मेरी ध्यान दीजिएगा. फर्स्ट आई हैव डन द डायरेक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन, लेकिन मैंने 1 पे इक्वल का साइन कैरी नहीं किया था. वाई नहीं किया था? बिकॉज आप डेरिवेटिव की बात कर रहे हो तो फर्स्ट यू विल हैव टू चेक फंक्शन इज डिफरेंशिएबल एट 1 और नॉट. आफ्टर कंफर्मिंग दैट you will carry equal sign. So we are getting at x equal to 1 LHD RHD same. So yes, now we will continue equal sign here. Especially I am putting equal sign with red mark. कि पहले equal sign नहीं लिया था but differentiability check करी. Now we are putting equal sign. So now we will check continuity of f dash for continuity of f dash at x equal to 1. Now in case of f dash between 0 and 1 polynomial, between 1 and 2 polynomial, 1 पे definition बदल रही तो we will check only at 1. So LHL limit over f dash 1 minus h, it is limit over 2 times 1 minus h by 2. 2 to cancel, this limit is 1. RHL limit over f dash 1 plus h is tending to 0 plus, right definition, so 4 times 1 plus h minus 3 limit over s tending to 0 plus, this is also 1. Value of f dash 1, 4 into 1 minus 3 is equal to 1. So clearly f dash x is continuous at x equal to 1. We will also say f dash x is continuous in open interval 0 to 2. Now regarding f dash 0 से 1 में continuous, 1 से 2 में continuous, only we have to check at x equal to 1 because definition is changing, and after checking we are finding f dash is continuous at x equal to 1. So overall we can say continuous in whole open interval 0 to 2. Is it? So f की continuity check कर ली हम लोगों ने, f dash की कर ली. Now we will go for continuity of f double dash. So for that we must have f double dash. Now f dash से आप निकालोगे f double dash. So f double dash is 1 and f double dash is 4. But once again डायरेक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन से जो f डबल डैश आपने निकाला वो f डबल डैश आपने किस पे निकाला? इन ओपन इंटरवल 0 to 1, इन ओपन इंटरवल 1 to 2. नाउ 1 पे इक्वलिटी कंटिन्यू होगी कि नहीं? फॉर दैट फर्स्ट वी विल हैव टू वेरीफाई f डैश डिफरेंशिएबल एट 1 और नॉट. फर्स्ट चेक differentiability of f dash at x equal to 1. So LHD limit over f dash 1 minus h minus f dash 1 divided by minus h, it is limit over f dash 1 minus h, that means 1 minus h f dash 1, 4 minus 3 1 divided by minus h, it is coming 1. RHD limit over f dash 1 plus h minus f dash 1 divided by h, so limit over 4 times 1 plus h minus 3 minus f dash 1 minus 1 divided by h, 3 3 4, 4h by h, it will come 4. It will come 4. Now student, here you can get the point. When we are checking differentiability of f dash at x equal to 1, we are finding LHD is 1, RHD is 4. What does it mean? It has meaning f dash is not differentiable at x equal to 1. It has meaning f dash is not differentiable at x equal to 1. When we are checking differentiability of f dash at x equal to 1, we are finding f dash not differentiable at x equal to 1. तो जब आपने f dash से f double dash निकाला, you cannot carry equal sign at 1. Why? Because f dash is not differentiable at x equal to 1. इसको अलग कर रहा हूँ. Since f dash x is not differentiable at x equal to 1, so f double dash x is equal to clearly f double dash x has not x equal to 1 in its definition. So f double dash x is continuous in 0 to 2 excepting 1. Fine. Our problem was continuity of f dash and f double dash in open interval 0 to 2. What we have found? F is continuous in the whole interval 0 to 2. F dash is also continuous in the whole interval 0 to 2. But f double dash, we are getting the continuity where in between 0 and 1 f double dash continuous, between 1 and 2 f double dash continuous. But x equal to 1 is not coming in domain, not coming in definition. So clearly f double dash x is continuous in 0 to 2 excepting 1. कि जो पॉइंट हमारी डोमेन में ही नहीं आ पा रहा, डेफिनेशन में ही नहीं आ पा रहा, वहाँ पे तो बाय डिफॉल्ट क्या होगा? डिसकंटिन्यूअस. तो एफ डबल डैश इज कंटिन्यूअस इन 0 to 2 एक्सेप्टिंग 1. ओके, तो विद दिस प्रॉब्लम स्टूडेंट आई एम कंप्लीटिंग दिस लेक्चर. थैंक यू.